Welcome friends, in this DIY I'm gonna show you how to make this wall clock using thermocol and flexboard. So let's DIY. Hello friends, I'm Akash. You're watching Hands at Work. Come make awesome craft. सब्सक्राइब करिए मेरे चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाना मत भूलिएगा। सब्सक्राइब करने के लिए चैनल के लोगों पे क्लिक करें। Friends, if you want to make this wall clock, please watch this video till the end and share your valuable feedback that how you like my DIY. If you are new to this channel, it's great to have you. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting DIY. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get the latest video notification so that you won't miss any of my videos as I upload it. Hope you like this DIY. So if you like this DIY, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends and family too. Also share your valuable feedback. With the same method, I have made this clock for my friend and a great supporter. To thank her for her well wishes and her great support, I have dedicated this DIY to her. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Stay tuned with my channel for more DIY.